Hey, it's me.
Still haven't even played as a girl yet.
Hey, sir!
All you've done so far, Hayden, is lose our kids.
Both of them.
Oh, why would I? Guys, we all know I'm the origami killer now. Let's get real. Unless the origami killer is trying to frame me.
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
What's that? Wait.
Be patient.
I said, okay.
I can't sigh properly.
No, do not put on detective vision in here. Too many neon lights.
What?
Just inside his head, his brain's melting right now.
Oh my god.
He's definitely from the future, come on.
Stop it. I don't even
Why is one of them a tank?
War game, I know. Call of Duty.
What? No.
Do a Steve McQueen impression.
Come on.
What's going on here? This game.
Just scratching stick.
This game went all crazy in Japanese, is what I'm saying. No, it's made in Canada, isn't it?
It is made in Canada, yeah.
How would Canadians come up with this?
Oh, they came up with Assassin's Creed, didn't they?
Yeah, but it's,
Assassin's Creed's
this
Canadian?
idea
Isn't
that
it
they
like Ubisoft
randomly...
Montreal, which makes it...
Oh, yeah.
No, but it's randomly shoving like super sci-fi down your throat.
This isn't super sci-fi, but...
No, but the idea of like, oh,
And
it's unnecessary.
everything else seems like it could have been like even done in the 80s because there wasn't even any mobile phones at the time, you know?
Oh.
Glove off, take the glove off. Should play the tank game.
Yeah.
Like
You guys are not going to like what he
I'm
does
off,
next.
Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. Oh, cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain. Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Nah, man, Jaden.
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting
Jaden!
you. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you
Norman
mind
Jaden.
tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting
He
started.
sounds like Christopher Walken.
Perhaps it's a
I
better
have a
time.
finger in it for ages.
I just have to get to the press conference. We have them every day now. Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell them. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
right direction.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get on well together. Do you know how to tie a knot in a necktie?
I guess.
Come here.
Don't
To
fail.
be frank with you, I could have done without the FBI
Fair.
on this one, but the
No.
press...
No.
Make a bow tie instead.
Case crept up on us, and it's fast becoming a national concern. There are hundreds of killers in this country, but what do you know? This guy is exotic. He leaves flowers and origami figures. Work that one out. Then the press get onto it, and we suddenly become the center of the universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer. With all due respect, sir, the rest of it, it's none of my business.
Your business.
Something with your hands.
I don't know.
No, of course not. All I'm asking is that you make progress, and fast.
Get
The press
results,
will
damn it.
approve it. And we're gonna have to serve
Stop
him
being
up
such
on
a
a
maverick.
silver platter.
Play by the rules.
Not bad.
Well, I just made his day.
Oh, go see Charlene. She'll show you to your office.
Charlene?
Kids
Check
are
in
dying,
on the
but my
press
tie looks really
conference if you're
good.
interested. It'll give you an idea of the political climate around here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to the club, Jaden.
Jaden.
My name's Jaden. Should we go listen in?
Yeah.
Let's have a ganja.
Take a look around the precinct.
Oh, ah!
Oh, how rude.
Door in my face.
You're not actually supposed to go out there, are you?
Nah, you just went to look through.
Hey guys, I'm from the FBI. What's going on in here?
Was found this morning on a patch of wasteland in the East End at about 6:30 a.m. 5 days after he was reported missing. An autopsy will be conducted tomorrow to determine the exact cause of death, but going from first indications, It would seem that he drowned. The state in which the body was found suggests the methodology of the origami killer.
What is that? What is that?
Foreground!
Phone. Answer.
To find the murderer as quickly as possible.
Oh, it's a walkie-talkie.
I'll fill
Ah,
the question.
a bum. We arrested him because he was homeless.
Some dude.
You arrested that guy because he never faces a camera.
Who's in there? Oh, hello.
Oh,
Go in there. Go in there.
I want to,
Open door. Invite female cop. Enter cell.
Where's... I want to get a cup of Joe. Where's the machine?
No. Water cooler. It's good for you.
No, a cup of Joe. Cup of Joe.
Cup of coffee.
Where's the Joe machine? Ah, no, it's in
Hit on that lady cop.
Where's the Joe?
Say good morning.
God damn it, where's the Joe?
Sit at someone's desk. Replace the water cooler.
Coffee.
Set a fire alarm.
Who's in it? What's in it?
Is this our office?
I don't know. I'm just having a news round.
This is in your office, isn't it?
That's not my office. I want a Joe. A Joe.
Who do I have to school to get a cup of coffee?
Oh, fine. Just find my office.
Nice watch.
What?
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the past 20 years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
I'd be happy to.
Oh, refuse.
Accept. Be nice.
Fine.
Congratulate Larry on my behalf.
You want to bang her for some coffee later?
I'll be sure to do that, sir.
She's a receptionist, isn't she?
Yeah, but she's not a hot receptionist.
Captain
do?
Perry said you could show me to my office.
Take some LSD.
That problem, how hotness can easily be fixed with some LSD.
We could just time travel to back when she was younger.
This is my office?
That's where I was told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find
I
me.
was really hoping she'd take you to that like empty like holding cell we went past.
That'd be rude.
Wow. Larry really
Okay.
screwed you over.
Time to work.
Yeah. Time to work. What is this?
Yeah, everything's off the table.
Even the dust.
I play by my own rules. He's gonna flip it. Is he gonna? Oh, I really.
Really?
Nice.
That's better. Kinda. Whoop.
Yeah.
I'd really wipe some more dust off the desk.
Look at me with my job. Let's put on my specs.
No way.
Yeah, look at me. I'm working.
Step 1. Change the office.
What?
Wop. Wop.
Watch this. Why not?
Why?
Yeah, because he's tripping.
This is
Really?
crazy.
Yeah, really. Okay, clear. What do we need? Clues.
It's just unnecessary.
I know, it's kind of weird. But
Horrendously I mean, it looks nice, but still.
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
If you've got these glasses, why the hell does he need to take drugs?
I don't know.
What kind of kick can he get from, get from this?
Maybe the glasses feed him LSD. That's a side effect.
Or maybe the glasses do nothing. This is all just the drugs. Like as soon as he went in, he just whipped everything off the table, did about 5 lines. It's just off
No
his
clues
face.
or
Just
specific
in the middle of the
clues.
floor, it's like "Ah,
Nothing much to go on.
Sorry.
Just one origami store in town.
But what? He'd buy an origami model instead of making it himself.
I don't know. Maybe origami's made out of special paper.
Okay.
Is it made like crepe paper?
I don't know.
Well, I'm off to point the pink pistol at the porcelain firing range.
Common species.
That means
That
Stefan's
doesn't
gonna
help
take
much.
Geoanalysis.
The orchid is a common species.
Is
It can be found at any flower shop.
Oh, damn. But it was an origami orchid. Oh no, it was actually a real flower.
It's an orchid. It's a real flower. Yeah, it's got a flower.
No, I thought it was made of origami or something.
Wait, you thought the origami was made from an orchid?
No. You can't make a crane out of a
Yeah,
flower.
I know, exactly. That's why. But the thing is, you're so stupid. I thought you would have come up with that.
I thought you meant he made an origami flower. But no, it's just a little,
Oh, no.
little pig.
It's a dog thing, actually.
Okay. Oh my god, we're looking at the victims now.
8 victims in the last 3 years. All boys, aged between 9 and 13.
Oh.
That's sad.
No
Oh.
signs of violence. The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight.
Damn.
No one notices anything.
How?
Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later. Drowned in rainwater.
Heavy rain.
3 to 5 days later. I'm loving this guy's voice. Oh, little Asian
Killer
kid.
has a large comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base. This won't make the geoprofiling any easier.
Ah, damn it. More.
There was always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found,
Ah.
and all the
So that's
victims
9 and
disappeared
10.
in the fall.
Hey, what took place on my birthday?
Bad times.
Your birthday
Always the
is now
same ritual.
forever
An
associated.
origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found, which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned.
Oh.
Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
God damn it. Ah. Need data. I need data. Data.
But where's the box for this?
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45.
Oh, how do they know this?
He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
So he can go kill kids when he's got free time to kill. Oh, time to kill? Time to kill kids. I think that's done. Close that.
Have you really just sussed all of that out?
Oh god.
I think that's.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's a little.
It's time to split.
Oh god.
Here we go again.
Yes. Yes. Oh, Cortez.
What?
No, some
I
time
need
split
to
three.
take some.
Alright.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to buy that game again just to play it again. Oh god, I
It's
forget.
alright. I know I can make it.
Yeah.
I know I can make it.
Why did you get hooked on drugs? You're an FBI agent.
No. Exit. Yeah, I'm fine.
It's like a little origami thing.
Is everything alright, sir?
No.
If
Fuck
they
off.
find out you're tripping balls, they are not gonna let you work there. Who knows? You're on first person.
No one must see.
Shit. Ah. Control.
Hold it.
Okay. Is that the male or female? I don't know which toilet to go to. I don't know! Ah!
Choose.
No! No! That's not.
That's male. That's male.
Left. Think.
Left.
That one.
Oh god, that's female. We're just
I don't see any urinals. I don't see any urinals.
They must be around the corner. It's all good. It's all good.
Wrong toilet, wrong toilet.
Oh, that's a female. Oh, that's good. We got the right toilet. That's you. That's you.
Jeez.
What's wrong with you two? I'm fine.
We're ill.
Yeah, ew.
Ah, who's that? It's the bum.
Horrors.
A person.
Or is it Ethan?
There's Ethan.
Is that Ethan?
What's that, Ethan?
That's Ethan.
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 Yeah, Ethan.
Wow, two characters gonna meet each other. Oh yeah, Ethan lost another kid. Crap.
It's your fault, Hayden.
My bad.
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marshall. Could you please tell him what happened?
It was this afternoon. I went to the park with my son Sean. We played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses, and when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Hayden.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
It must have been about...
Oh, shit. 4:15.
4:45.
4:15.
You sure?
Yeah, that's it, 4:15. I remember exactly because I looked at the clock in the park when we arrived.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was
Pink
wearing
shirt.
a coat.
Beige.
Brown.
No, it's beige.
Brown or...
A beige coat.
Is it the same colour, essentially?
Brown is dark.
pair of
He was wearing like
pants.
a white coat. Beige is kind of white. Pants. Kind of
Pants were obviously... What?
Blue.
No, green. Oh,
There's no
green or brown.
Black.
Beige pants.
No!
Beige coat!
What?
How could
Beige.
Sean have disappeared without
I
you
didn't
even
type it.
noticing?
I didn't put anything.
Weren't you
Ethan,
right
you
by
idiot.
the carousel?
I did. I didn't leave. I watched the carousel.
How could Sean
and
possibly be vanished if you were right there watching the carousel?
I don't know. I don't understand.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
Be honest.
We searched, didn't we?
Yeah.
Is that swear?
Swear.
I searched the whole neighborhood for him. I thought he couldn't have gone far.
Did Sean have any particular difficulties, Mr. Mars? Anything that might have caused him to run away?
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sean is a sensitive child. Our relationship has been a little difficult recently.
Everything okay at school?
Yes.
Any particular problems between you and your wife?
Yes.
Yes.
We're divorced.
My wife and I have been separated for the last 6 months. But Sean would not have gone off without telling his mother or me.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Jason.
Do you think the origami killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple of hours.
Oh,
That's a lie.
But what
wouldn't
if
have
it
much
is
of a
the
game
origami
then, would we? Think it through.
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
Hey, this is your fault.
Yeah.
The drama begins. Can I please play as the female?
Wait, that's different from female. That's his wife.
Aye.
Did they find something?
No, nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
One plays Grace. I want to give Ethan a
Do
slap.
do they think it's the origami
Do it like this.
It's still too early to say. But it is a possibility.
What happened to Ethan?
Hayden.
How could you lose Sean like that?
Stop
You should never have taken your eyes off him.
Telling you
Hey,
blacked
for
out.
God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park? Why did you leave him, Ethan? Why? Wasn't it enough losing Jason?
Punch her! Punch her!
Touch him,
Punch her!
I'm sorry. It's not what I meant to say.
Leave. Just go.
You leave right now.
It's the end of
I
you.
miss him so.
Jojo.
JJ.
What's Jojo? Is it JJ? What's Jojo?
J-Jo?
It's not
No,
JJ.
it's Jojo. It's Jojo.
Yeah. Was it?
Oh. Feeling so many emotions at once right now.
Who's next? What character is it next?
It's me and me will laugh.
Please. Let me play this game. Female.
Yay! Oh!
It's like she isn't even a character.
I'd really laugh if she's not in it until like the last 20 minutes.
We've gone over the hour. We've got to stop soon.
Oh!
Okay, after it's
was it-
loading.
Yeah, after. Oh, was that end of part 6 then?
Part 12.
Jesus.
Well, hang on, over the. What? How big? What, is each video
Half
like
hour,
5 minutes?
half hour.
Each part is 10 minutes.
Oh.
And we just gone over the hour.
2 minutes.
Okay.
2 hours, sorry.
Oh,
Oh
2
my-
hours. Oh yeah, 12 parts. Damn.
Alright, pause it.
Ah, convenience store.
Oh, there's gonna be a fight here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stay tuned for a fight.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Don't drop the beans.